For this activity, you'll be determining which of the fossils in your diagram are index fossils. Index fossils are fossils that are characteristic of a particular span of geologic time. They're used to define and identify geologic periods of time. To be an index fossil, two criteria must be met. First, this fossil is only found in one type of rock layer. This is because these organisms only lived for a period of time. They are abundant, which means the layer will have more than one of that type of fossil. It may contain other fossils as well, and that's okay. So let's look at this diagram. The first fossil we'll look at is at the very top. It's gray. Criteria 1, only found in one type of rock layer. That's true. I don't see any other of those fossils on my model. Criteria 2, abundant. The layer will have more than one of that type of fossil. That criteria has not been met, so that top fossil, that's gray in my picture, is not an index fossil. Moving down to the orange fossil in my diagram. Criteria 1, it's only in one rock layer. If I look from top to bottom, I do not see any other orange fossils in my picture, so criteria 1 has been met. Criteria 2, the layer has more than one of that type of fossil. Yes, there are 3. So I'm either going to circle that fossil or put a mark in the box to indicate that that is an index fossil. Let's do another one as an example. This yellow one, that's sort of a circle in my diagram. Only found in one rock layer. That is not true. It is found in 2 types of rock, so that is not an index fossil. Work through your diagram one fossil at a time, and when you've determined something is an index fossil, either circle it or put a mark in the box. When you're finished, you'll continue this activity.